Hi everyone, welcome back to WizNet TV. As you could see in other video, we held the WizFi360 Design Contest last year to see various ideas from makers. Last time, we briefly introduced 3 winner projects. In this video, we'd like to talk about other 5 projects that also got prize. Project 1 WizSocket Cloud Connected IoT AC Socket. If you're interested in making DIY smart plug for energy monitoring, check out with this project. WizSocket is a cloud-connected smart IoT AC socket that can measure AC RMS voltage, current and power used by an AC appliance and send the data to the cloud in real time via Wi-Fi. On WizNet Maker site, you can find schematics, required tools and firmware, all open source. Project 2 Saber Wall Light. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when Star Wars is mentioned? Lightsaber. If you're a fan of Star Wars, just like the author of this amazing build, make sure to check this project. Saber Wall Light is an IoT project where color of wall lights that look like lightsabers can be controlled remotely. Author even creates Saber Manager app using L-cars to control the blade lights. Follow the link in the description to find detailed project explanation, software, PCB design and build process. Project 3 Wi-Fi control display turntable. Turntable is a useful device to give a better display of your product and really helpful when it comes to making product introduction videos. Author of this project created a turntable using WizFi360 EVB Pico board, Android app for remote moto and LED control. Make sure to visit our site to find out more details on this great project. Project 4 Senco Smarttech Incubator. It takes around 20 days for eggs to hatch. Also, temperature or humidity need to be stabilized to increase the chances of hatching. Senco is a machine built to monitor environment in the hatchery and adjust it using fan or heater. Through the process of machine learning, author also aims to find most optimal conditions to get best hatching results. If interested in creating incubators, check the link in the description. Project 5 Oh no more toilet paper. We all faced a situation when there is no toilet paper left. Although this might not be an issue at home, but when it comes to large office buildings or airports, it becomes hard to track all facilities. The author of this project suggests easy and simple solution to this issue. By using time-of-flight sensor to measure the thickness of the layers left on the tube, author created a low-cost solution that can measure with millimeter precision. Then such data could be sent to the cloud and monitored easily. Author also brings various use cases for these sensors in the post. For more details, follow the link in description. To wrap up, today we talked about 5 more projects from WizFi360 Design Contest. All these and other great projects from participants and makers are available on our WizNet Maker site. Thank you.